Have a look at this. It is growing fast. My parrot feather, common name of this. I don't know, in fact, the botanical name. It is growing very fast. God. It started from here, this shoot, that shoot. And whatever is leaning inside the water, all the nodes are leaving their roots to expand. This the special thing about this that I discovered is they can grow up to the heights of 2 feet by vertically. So I wanted to build one such shell or pot that can restrain the growth of this and still look very good in my home, kept inside or outside. So I made this. Have a look at this. It's a single shell. Coconut was there inside. I did cut it from here. Water is going to stand there inside. No. I am going to put lots of healthy clay soil into this, and the water will be staying until this height all the time. All the time, some water will be there standing inside. So that's all this plant is requiring. Same is the case with the other water plant. I'll show you. Hold on. Yeah. Here. Same is the case with this plant also. It is growing underwater. See? That is Jalabrahmi in Kannada. I don't know the botanical name. Not able to remember. It flowers in blue colors. I'm waiting for the flowers eagerly. And here is the mother plant. China, what are you doing? She's trying to eat something over there. A snail, maybe. No, she doesn't eat the snails. What are you doing there? Chinari? Okay, the mother plant is here. I mean to say, lots of the stems are placed in this pot by me. Only this pot is, the other pot is having it is submerged or totally submerged in the water along with the lotus plant. Wonder how many more days it is going to take this lotus. It's a smaller one. The bigger one is growing here with super fast speed. This was the leaf with which we did start. Everything did start. One, two, 3, and there did grow the fresh tuber did grow, and from the next node this double the size of the leaf has come. Hopefully, as Santosh Patil did say, this is going to yield me the flowers in about 2 months. Oh, this one, the water rose plant, all of a sudden it did stop the leaf growth of the leaves. I was wondering maybe what is wrong. No, it is growing from inside. It has grown 2 nodes from inside, fresh ones. I did vacate this the whole pot from this water lilies, white color. Many tubers are here with me. Isn't it good? This flower, it's a weed plant. One more flower is here. One is here. Many more. One is has bloomed here. So it is quite possible for me to grow this in hydroponic method and keep it as a specimen. Many more are about to bloom. I wonder how the seeds are going to. Here is the seeds, the dried ones. So that's it. This this pot can house the water plants because water is going to stand. It can also be used to grow these succulents of any variety that can uh, hold and be happy with the standing water of this in this of this s- depth. If this depth that is 1 inch, 1.5 inch maybe, that's it. Lots of plants can, but I want to dedicate this pot for the medicinal plants that of that jalabrahmi and many more medicinal plants are there to grow. I want to make few more of this shell to house them, stack them on a mm, single mm, what to say, a wood piece of wood. Many pieces of wood are there with me. I can stack them all vertically or horizontally and take them into my kitchen so that they will be available all the time for cooking, for any medicinal purpose. I want to make many more of this. It's made from a single shell to be held hanging garden, and one hole will be there. So that's it. It's my discovery made today. If you anybody in my subscribers list are watching this, to give me a like for this creation of mine. It's a new creation. I haven't seen anybody in the YouTube uploading any one such creation, especially by the reels that get uploaded by people who are into the handicraft business of coconut shells. Nobody has done this. This is only me who is uploading it for the first time. That's it. Have a nice day. Have a nice year of 2026.